a new home.
What's up, guys? Matt and Renato here.
Welcome to the channel, guys.
We have some very exciting news in our lives. No, I am not with child.
Me either. But we have
a condo. Owners for
the first time.
Yeah, so we are super excited. And where is our new home?
Where? In Fort Lauderdale, Florida.
Yes,
right?
it's perpetual spring break and beautiful beaches. And for me, this is home. And thankfully, Renato humored me and was willing to make this our home base. So we are super excited to show you our condo and the adventure of home ownership that we are about to embark upon.
And I'm gonna tell you guys, have a beautiful view. Is everything about the views?
Yes, it's all about the views.
We are so happy.
If you follow us, thank you. And if you are new to our channel, thank you as well. For two people that want to travel the world for a couple years in the future.
More.
Let's see. How does this fit into our long-term plan? So we need a home base, right? And we love the beach, and I grew up in Florida. So for us, it made sense to establish some roots here in Florida, but with the potential to rent out both long-term and in the future on a short-term basis to snowbirds or other people that, snowbirds are people that come from the north, whether in Canada or New York or the Northeast in the US, and come down to South Florida. So they want to rent during the winter months. So we feel like this gives us the flexibility we need in the future to travel and to be here. So, but enough about the future, let's talk about the now and why we want to live here.
Well, we love here. And first of all, we want a place we want to feel like always a vacation, and this is the place. We are literally maybe 3 or 4 blocks of the beach, right, man? And we are so close to Las Olas. It's a good place to go and have a drink and have a good food. And
beaches and the intracoastal in Florida, there's just tons of different things that you can do. So
he's very close, his parents, his families, and a lot of friends.
Yeah, so we are super excited to show you this journey as we renovate this condo with beautiful views and a lot of potential. And yeah, we should show you around. That's right.
Let's show you guys. Come. Oh, guys, enough is enough. We're gonna show you guys our beautiful house.
Yes, let's take a tour of our soon-to-be gorgeous condo.
Okay, we're gonna show you guys close the view because it's got a little dark, right?
It's getting dark, so let's catch it while we can see it.
Okay.
This is our beautiful condo. And the reason that we bought it is for this beautiful view.
Look at this view, guys. Oh my God, it's so beautiful.
We're catching it because we face east, we get amazing sunrises, and then on the other side of the building, amazing sunsets.
Exactly.
But yes, this is why we wanted this beautiful condo.
This balcony is so big, right, man?
Oh yes.
Look at that.
Like, this will be our bedroom over here, but we'll have a place to hang out and to have drinks. You know, there's gonna be drinks involved. Team here to our beautiful kitchen. Well, it's gonna get beautiful.
Wow, why
It's
now?
an all-white kitchen,
Let's
but
close these doors and
we're getting there. We're getting there. This is original. Vintage is in, but we're gonna do a little something different.
oh my God,
already.
look at this.
Already getting backsplash samples and stuff. We are about to get underway, so this is really our last opportunity to show our condo in its original form. Here is our living room. There's the words. That's what I'm looking for. This is all coming down and is going to be a huge open kitchen. Well, huge is a generous statement, but it's going to be a very cute open kitchen. And then this is a dining table and of course a bar. Can you see it now?
Where are we gonna put a bar? Over there?
This is going to be our bar. The juice bar. Wine. And this is our guest bedroom / office.
Oh my God, look at this view.
Everything. Super subtle guest bathroom.
We are so.
We're gonna leave the original. It's exactly. Oh,
Oops.
hi. It's exactly our taste, so
Oh my god. No
I
way.
think we'll keep it. But in seriousness, we are going to redo all of this.
Okay.
All right.
What else?
As we cross the estate grounds, we come into our bedroom, which has no light,
And
and our bathroom. So we're super excited. We are picking out tile and everything else.
yeah, this is gonna be
Alright.
all changed. Alright, man?
That's it. And that concludes the tour of our soon-to-be renovated condo, or we hope soon-to-be renovated. But this will be our home base for our travels all over the world. And if you want to see the final results,
Just stick with us.
stick with us. We're going to show the whole process along the way, and we're excited to have you accompany on us as this remodel kicks off.
Yeah, maybe gonna take maybe 3 months.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. Let's check it out.
That's it. So stick with us. If you like our videos, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And we love having you along for this journey with us.
Exactly. See you guys soon. The next video.